Okay, we're going to check in on my Harman hand-fired coal furnace sitting in the back behind the Van Wert. That's it there. It's a big one. It's a 3500 and it's bricked down so that only 3 of the 6 grates are in motion. That's because I don't have a big house, but I got this right after I bought the house for a price you couldn't refuse. So there it is. That's chestnut on the bottom, and on top is that pea coal that I'm trying to burn in the Axeman Anderson. So I figured, what the heck, we got this thing going, we might as well try to burn that stuff in here, see what happens. Loaded the pea coal on top, shook it down and loaded it up about an hour ago. It's a little revved up right now. It's time to shut it down a little bit. So we'll glow coming out there. I'm gonna shut this. Shut this. I think that's 2 out. 1, 2, yeah. 1, 2. Close off this overfire air here. And we'll leave that cracked open a little bit. There we go. We'll set till tomorrow morning.